15 Futuristic Toys Every Kid Must Have, Unleashing Tomorrow's Playtime. Prepare to be amazed as we transport you into the world of tomorrow's playtime with our lineup of 15 futuristic toys that every kid must experience. From mind-bending tech gadgets to interactive wonders, these cutting-edge creations will spark imagination, fuel curiosity, and redefine the way children play. Join us on a journey through innovation as we unveil a universe of playthings that blur the line between reality and imagination. 1. Augmented reality headsets. Step into a realm where fantasy and reality merge, allowing kids to interact with virtual worlds and characters. 1. Smart building blocks. These blocks come to life with lights, sounds, and animations, encouraging creativity in 3D. 3. Coding robots. Teach kids programming while having fun as they guide robots through mazes and challenges. 4. Interactive storytelling globes. Spin the globe to trigger stories, sounds, and facts about different countries and cultures. 5. 3D printing pens. Transform drawings into tangible creations, enabling kids to bring their designs to life. 6. Gesture-controlled drones. Let kids use their hands to control mini drones, igniting the thrill of piloting through the air. 7. Educational holographic kits. Explore the wonders of science with holographic models that make complex concepts tangible. 8. Voice-activated smart toys. Interact with toys through voice commands, sparking interactive and educational conversations. 9. Robotic pets. Lifelike robot pets respond to touch and voice, fostering empathy and responsibility. 10. Virtual reality adventure kits. Dive into immersive virtual adventures that blend physical play with digital excitement. 11. Magnetic levitation kits. Build and manipulate objects suspended in midair using the power of magnets. 12. Solar-powered rovers. Uncover the magic of renewable energy as kids assemble rovers that run on sunlight. 13. AR drawing tablets. Create drawings that come alive in augmented reality, offering a new dimension to artistic expression. 14. Smart musical instruments. Master instruments with interactive sensors that provide real-time feedback and guidance. 15. AI storytelling buddies. Interact with AI-powered characters that adapt their stories based on kids' responses. These futuristic toys open a portal to an era where play transcends boundaries and imagination knows no limits. Each of these playthings taps into the wonders of technology to create experiences that are not just fun but also educational, fostering curiosity and a love for learning. Get ready to redefine playtime with these 15 must-have toys that hint at the limitless possibilities of tomorrow.